Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Happy 4th of July, y'all. I don't know if this will be out in time 4th of July, but it might be the day after. But I always make ice cream on the 4th of July. But this 4th of July, I'm putting a little twist on it. I'm using peaches, y'all. You know the peaches I've been using all week from my haul I got last weekend. So I'm putting peach in it. I'm making some old school homemade peach ice cream. Very simple, y'all. Very easy. And I'm going to show y'all how I do it here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to step off. I'm going to get the peaches peeled. And I'm going to puree them up in the bowl. Put them in the bowl here. Use my stick blender and blend them up in the bowl. And it's the same process, same ingredients, everything. Also, my ice cream freezer that I've had for over 28 years, the motor finally died on it. So I had to get a temporary one. I got a new one, but I'm going to get another one just exactly like the one I had, but I don't have that one now. I had to order it. So I had to go get another one just to get me through so it'll look a little different, my ice cream freezer. I'm so sad, but the ice cream freezer that motor finally, it was going on me the last couple of years. Hard to get it started, but finally just quit on me. So that's equipment for you, but I got another one coming exactly like the one I have. My mama gave me that one. I just want to keep the same type one. So I got another one here I'm going to use. But anyway, I'll be back once I get these peaches peeled and everything opened up and measured out. And we'll get this ice cream started. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Okay, y'all, the peaches are peeled here. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to puree these peaches up, or blend them, however you want to say it. I'm going to hook up my stick blender here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 can of my, you'll see in the recipe, it calls for 4 cans of milk, 1 can of water, 2 cans of water from the cans. So I'm going to add to these peaches to puree them up. I'm going to need some liquid to them. So I'm going to add that to these peaches. That means all I got to do is add the remaining 3. Hold on here, y'all. Let me get situated here. And I'm going to add a cup of sugar to this. Half a cup. You'll say 2.5 cups. Sugar. I'm adding half a cup of sugar. And you can do this in the blender too, y'all. If y'all don't have one of these stick blenders. All blended up good here. Nice good peach mixture, y'all. If you got a little piece chunks in it, that's fine. That makes it even better. But I try to get it as smooth as possible. Alright, y'all. Give me 1 second. I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back here. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the rest of my remaining ingredients in here. And I'm going to just use my stick blender, y'all. I ain't going to even break out my other mixer. Milk. Cold water in this one. So there's the 2 cans of water. Remember, I added a can already to this. Nothing like ice cream, y'all. And then to take it to the next level when you add peaches to it. Like I told y'all, I'm going to definitely be making a lot of peach recipes. I got a couple more to do, and all my peaches will be gone. I think I made peach pie. I did a peach preserve, peach jelly, Alright, add my vanilla to this, rest of my sugar, and my eggs. Alright, get all this mixed up here. That's it, y'all. That's done. Unplug this. Put this to the side. Now, I like to make sure I got all that sugar at the bottom mixed up, y'all. Perfect. Now, what I'm gonna do? Pour it over here in my ice cream bucket. Alrighty. Now, put my top on here. Grab my top. Put that on there. Make sure it's good and fastened. Alrighty. Put my motor on here. Just say y'all, this is the first time I've used this thing here. This is a new ice cream maker. Okay, now we're gonna put our ice in there. Y'all can see what I'm doing here. Okay. Put our ice down in the side. Okay, now I'm gonna put my rock salt. Y'all know I do it in layers. Put some ice, put some salt, ice, salt. So you can get all layered down in there. Okay. A little more ice. More salt. I just could have cut the video off for that part. A little bit more. Alright. There we go. Now, we're going to cut it on here and let it do its thing. Put a little bit more salt on the top. And as I come back, I'll add ice periodically. So let's plug this thing up and let's get this sucker started. There we go. A lot quieter than my other ice cream maker, y'all. The other one had that old timey sound to it. So anyway, we're gonna let this go and we'll be back here in about 45 minutes. Usually take 30, 45 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. And you hear that? That means it stopped. Peach ice cream is ready. Look at that. Look at that nice peach ice cream, y'all. Look at that. Nice and thick. I'm going to shake as much of this off as I can. Put it over in here. And y'all know what I like to do. Let me taste some of this. Look at that, y'all. Oh, man. You can definitely taste the peaches in here. Know what it tastes like? Tastes like peach and peach cobbler, y'all. Okay, y'all. Let me get this out of here. And what I'm gonna do, y'all know how I do it. Pour this ice in here. I'm gonna put this back in here. Put the lid back on here. And now I got the, sorry about that, y'all. Now I have the little stopper here. I have to put my foil on there. And all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pack it. And then it get really firm. Once it firm up, I'll scoop it out. A little bit more. There we go. Put my towel on the top. First I'm gonna put me some ice on here. I like to put ice, some more, a little bit more, salt on here. Then I put my towel over here. And that's it. I'm gonna come back in about an hour, y'all, and scoop it out. It's gonna set up even more firmer. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay. Y'all know how I do it. All I do, take this out of here. Just over here. I'm just gonna scoop this, scoop that in there, just like that. Y'all excuse these fireworks. You hear fireworks in the background. They done started, the 4th of July done started out here in Katy. All I do is just scoop that in there. And then we have ice cream whenever I need it. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Old school ice cream. All right. This will last me a little bit, y'all. This will last me a little while. So, anyway, peach ice cream. Let me take another little taste here. Oh wow, that is so good, y'all. So good. Like I said, it tastes just like if you put ice cream on a peach cobbler. That's exactly what it tastes like. So anyway, let me close this video out. Then I'll finish this off in a minute. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share. Please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag help somebody, old school soul food. Hashtag 2021. Help somebody, old school soul food. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.